Oh, you think you got it all figured out. Oh, there's money in the bank and a windmill all about. Well, now what you gonna do when your ship starts to sink?